Hey guys, now we are in question number 37. So, black, white, and green. Okay, they were the partners in the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. So, in this question, white is a retiring partner. Okay, so it is mentioned in the question, uh, page number 328. Okay, after the adjustments are over, it is mentioned that between black and green, the new profit sharing ratio will be equal. Okay, so according to that, you have to calculate the gaining ratio. And when you see the gaining ratio, you can see here black is 0 by 10 and green is 3 by 10, which means green is only the gaining partner. Okay, whereas black is neither gaining nor sacrificing. So whatever be the share of the goodwill of retiring partner, who is white, will be entirely borne by green. Okay, so let us prepare revaluation account. You know how to prepare this revaluation account, and we have loss here in this particular case. So after that, we prepare goodwill of the firm. Oh, sorry, we find white share of goodwill. So goodwill of the firm is 2 lakh. So white share of goodwill will be 60,000. This 60,000 will be borne by green, because green is a gaining partner, as you can see here in this gaining ratio. Okay. So we write by balance BD. First, we extract the balances from balance sheet. Okay. So after that, we write by general reserve. General reserve is an accumulated profit, so we have to share between all the partners as per the old profit sharing ratio, which is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So after that, we do the adjustment for other items. Look at the balance sheet. So you can see here uh, loss on revaluation also. So let us write loss on revaluation first to loss on revaluation. Okay, we will do this item afterwards. So to loss on revaluation, write the amounts. So as we can see here, white share of goodwill is 60,000. So he must get 60,000 in his account. Okay, so who will give this 60,000? Green will give 60,000. So we have the effect here. Okay, so till now we have written by balance BD, by general reserve, okay, by Green's capital account, and in the debit side we have written to loss on revaluation to White's capital account. Okay, so till now it is clear. So question in the question it is mentioned that point number 3, okay, adjustment number 3, page number 328, investments are to be taken over by White at 30,000. So just like in previous question, like question number 25 we did, so investments are being taken over by White, the retiring partner, at 30,000. Okay, so whatever is the residual amount should be transferred to his loan account. Okay, 50,620 will be transferred to his loan account. Okay, so now important thing is we have to find the total. Okay, so it will be 1,80,000. Again, it will be 1,80,000. So you will find the difference, and this will be the CD. Okay, so for White it is very simple. It will be 50,620 for his loan account. Okay, I think you know this. And for Green, okay, for Green you can see already here the total of the debit side will be 80,920, but this total of credit is only 68,000. So Green is having deficit in his account towards the credit side. Okay, so this will be the balance CD here. So Green will have debit balance, whereas Black will have credit balance. Okay, so you may ask me how to know this. Okay, which side will be more? Okay, because when doing the sum we don't know which side will be more. So just look at the amounts, okay, before you write the total out here. Okay, whether you write the total in the credit side or in the debit side, you just look at the amounts before. Okay, you just look at the amounts before you do the total. So which side may be more? Okay, so you need to have a practice here. Okay, When you do practice continuously, you will know on your own that which side will be more debit side or credit side. And I don't think you have like I have to explain you this because you know this kind of thing from admission chapter only. Okay, so let us move on to balance sheet. So as per this White's loan account is coming up here, this 50,620, we will write this amount here also in the balance sheet. Okay, so rest are same. Okay, but in the liabilities column we only write the Black's total 1,27,700 because he is having a credit balance. Okay, now you may ask me, it is appearing the debit side and I'm talking about credit balance. See, this it is CD. Okay, so where this BD will appear? BD will appear actually in the credit side. Okay, and this CD will appear in the debit side, right? So that's how you come to know whether it's debit or credit. So Black's capital account will have the balance here in the liabilities column, whereas Green's capital account, because Green is having a negative balance, okay, 12,920. So this will appear in the asset column here, 12,920. Okay, so I think, okay, yeah, this is the end of it.